Ano po, I'm from General Santos City po.
Ah, okay.
Opo.
Thank you for joining us.
Opo. Dito po sa lokal namin, marami na po tayong naloloko dito. Marami na po tayong mga naloloko dito na mga pinagloloko natin. Nakakatuwa po. Nakakatuwa po. Pinagloloko ho namin.
Why is that the case, my dear brother? They are. What happened at General Santos that they're doing those things?
Brother Vince, there is another one po who would like to greet. It's Sister Nieva. Please go ahead.